So now we will see a simple loading animation in CSS with the help of example over here. So guys, let us move to the VS Code in this case, and simply we are going to remove the previous lines of code that we had written in the HTML and the CSS files over here. Now guys, we need to create a div tag that will help us in order to create a circle with the help of the border CSS property, and then we are going to rotate the div tag in order to create a simple loading animation with the help of CSS properties. So guys, first of all we will provide the div tag with the help of the loading CSS class over here. So basically we have used the div tag with the class name that is loading in this case, and simply we are going to use this class name over here inside the style.css file. So guys, we are going to paste this class name with the help of the dot character over here so that we can provide certain CSS properties for this div tag. So first of all we will provide the width as 200 pixels in this case, and also the height of 200 pixels so that we get a square box out of this div tag over here. And then apart from this, we will also provide certain background color to the body tag over here. So let's say we have a dark background color in this case. So we have provided the dark background color, and let's say the color of the text is white over here. Now guys, apart from this, we also want the background color of this div tag to be displayed. So let's say we have the background color for the div tag as white color in this case. And then apart from this, let us get this div tag at the center of the screen. So simply we are going to provide the margin CSS property with the value as auto over here. Now guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, this is the div tag that we have included on the HTML file. Now guys, we are going to make a circle out of this div tag. So how do we do that? So first of all, we will provide the border radius over here, which should be 50% in order to make the div tag as a circular div tag over here. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So as you can see, with the help of this border radius equal to 50%, we have converted the square box to a circle over here. Now guys, we only want the border of the circle to be displayed. So what we will do is simply I'm going to comment out this background color in this case, and let's say we provide the border as 10 pixels with the color that is white, and the border style will be solid in this case. So guys, basically we have provided the 10 pixels solid white color border over here instead of the background color. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So as you can see, we have provided the border over here for this particular circle. Let us increase the width of the border to 20 pixels so that we can see the loading animation properly. So as you can see, this is the circle that we have drawn over here, and this is just the border that we have included. Now guys, simply we can rotate this circle in order to see the simple loading animation, and in order to do that, we need to have one side of the border have a different color. So what we will do is we will divide this values for the border CSS property. So first of all, we will say border width of 20 pixels that we had defined, and then the border style should be solid. So over here we will define the border style as solid in this case, and then guys, for the border color we will provide the color as white. So simply we will say border color in this case. So all these are CSS properties that you can define separately. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So as you can see, there is no change right now. We want the top border to be of the different color. So simply we will define the first color, which will be corresponding to the top border over here as gray color. So let's say we provide the gray color as the value for the top border, and then for the left and right border we want the white color, and then for the bottom side we also want the white color to be displayed. So guys, basically the first border color will be top color, followed by the right hand side, and then followed by the bottom side, and then we have the left hand side. So over here the gray color will be at the top side, and then this white color will be at the right side, followed by the white color at the bottom side, and then again, since we have not provided the fourth color, the left color will be taken from this particular white color over here. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, this is the gray color at the top of the circle over here. Now guys, simply we want to rotate this circle with the help of the animation. So what we will do is we will simply define the keyframes over here, and then we will say loading as the name of the animation. So what we want to do is simply at the 0% we are going to provide the CSS property, that is transform over here, and simply we are going to say rotate, and initially it should be 0 degrees in this case. And then after this, for the 100%, what we are going to do is we are going to define this as 100% over here. We are going to still use the transform CSS property, and this time we want to rotate it by 360 degrees over here. So guys, as you can see, we are going from 0 degree to 360 degree as far as rotation of the HTML element is concerned. And now guys, we are going to link this animation to the div tag over here. So basically for this particular block of CSS properties, we are going to provide the animation name over here. So simply we are going to provide the loading, that is the animation name we have provided in this case after the keyframes keyword, and also we need to provide the animation duration, which we can say 2 seconds in this case. So guys, basically within 2 seconds the animation should complete. Let me just save this file now and try reload this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, the circle is rotating itself, and only once it has rotated itself. So guys, basically we can also use the iteration count as well for the animation. So over here we will say iteration count equal to infinite, so that it loads infinite number of times. So let me just reload this page. So as you can see, the div element, that is the circle, is rotating itself continuously within the span of 2 seconds over here. Now guys, if you notice, the speed of the animation is decreasing at the end of the animation over here. So what we can do is simply we can provide the speed as linear in this case. So we need to use the animation timing function, in which case we are going to provide the value as linear. So let me just save this file now and try reload this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, the speed of the loading icon is linear over here, and this is the way that you can easily create the loading animation icon with the help of the HTML and the CSS properties. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is customized tooltip text in CSS. So stay tuned.